woman's hair is one of the sexiest and most important features that she can have. I have a lot of hair and I love it. I take very good care of my hair, probably more than anything else on my body. And in this video, I want to encourage every single one of you to really love your hair and take very good care of it. It doesn't matter what type of hair you have, if it's long or short, thick or thin, straight or curly, dry or oily. I promise you that if you follow these tips, you will have the most beautiful, strongest, and healthiest hair that you can ever imagine that you could have. So let's get started. So one thing that you want to do to love your hair daily is to eat the right foods. Adding omega-3s to your diet can help you have healthy and lush looking hair. It also prevents inflammation, helps your hair grow faster, and prevents dandruff. Some good sources of omega-3 include fish oil, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Some other good vitamins for your hair include vitamin B, zinc, and iron. And don't forget to drink lots of water. I try to drink at least 2 liters of water a day just to keep my hair hydrated. You should aim to shampoo your hair at least 2 to 3 times a week. But if you have hair that is fine or oily, then you probably need to shampoo your hair a little bit more regularly. Try to use a shampoo that is gentle and that doesn't strip away your hair's natural oils. And one thing that I've learned about shampooing your hair over the years is to just focus on the scalp, and you don't need to leave it on for too long because it's really just cleansing your hair. And don't worry about the ends, because when you rinse it off, it will flow down. Now, once you've shampooed your hair and rinsed it off, you want to condition your hair. Conditioner can help moisturize your hair and make it more smooth and soft. Remember that when you condition your hair, to focus on the ends, because especially if you have dry hair, because that is where we tend to get split ends. And if your hair is fine or oily, avoid the scalp, because what you want to do is to moisturize your hair and not your scalp. It's not the same as shampooing, where you focus on your scalp rather than the rest of your hair. But for conditioning, it's the exact opposite. Leave your conditioner on for 2 to 3 minutes, and while you're waiting, you can do something else, like maybe shave your legs. So now you've shampooed your hair and you've conditioned it, and now you want to rinse it all off. And something new that I've learned is that you can rinse off your hair with some herbs. Especially for those of you who have normal or oily hair, you can rinse off your hair with some herbs instead of conditioner, since your hair already has the moisture that it needs. And rinsing your hair with some herbs apparently can help balance your pH level, remove the product buildup, and create some shine. I have never tried this before. I did some research and thought that it was really interesting. But if you try it, do let me know how it goes. So now you want to brush and style your hair. How you brush, dry, and style your hair has a really big impact on its health. Keep frizz and breakage to a minimum by using gentle, natural bristles on your brushes and combs. The longer and thicker your hair, the wider your brush has to be, and the longer its bristles, and vice versa. Try to opt for air drying your hair instead of using heat tools like straighteners, curling irons, or hair dryers. But when you do have to use these things, avoid using the highest temperature to prevent really dry or damaged hair. One thing that you can do for your hair weekly is to apply a hair mask. Use hair masks that have natural oils like argan oil or coconut oil to nourish and repair your hair. Put your hair mask on your dry hair for 30 minutes, and then after those 30 minutes you can shampoo your hair and rinse it off with water. Before you put on your oils, you can also heat them up or leave your hair in a shower cap or a towel to intensify the conditioning. You can also show your scalp some love by giving it regular massages. Keeping your scalp in good condition maintains its health and encourages hair growth, because that is where your hair follicles are, aka where your hair starts. Giving yourself regular scalp massages can help increase blood circulation. And every 6 to 8 weeks, remember to go to the hair salon and get some trims to remove any split ends and encourage hair growth. So that's it, guys. Those are my tips to have your own very beautiful hair. I really enjoyed making this video for you, and let me know if these tips helped or not, and what are your favorite tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!